So in honor of National Chemical Peel Day, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what goes on during a chemical peel here at Sistine. So today we have a lovely patient here. We are gonna do what's called our mini gloss peel. And this is a wonderful peel, you know, especially during the winter months now with lack of sun exposure. And this helps with, you know, treating texture, pore size, and anti-aging. So if you're looking for a little refresh with a chemical peel, this is kind of the way to go. So I'll take you along each step. It's fairly quick, in and out in the office, and we'll show you her healing process as well. All right, so the first thing you do with any chemical peel is you're gonna cleanse the surface of the skin. Oftentimes, if I have a client coming in for a chemical peel, I tell them, you know, come in with no makeup, just make sure your skin's clean. So we've done all that, and then the second step, we use a skin degreasing solution. So I do pour it onto a couple pads. I typically use 2, and this is used to, you know, decrease the surface of her skin prior to applying the chemical peel. So after you do the first step and decrease the skin, you use a Vaseline, any non-fragrance emollient, and we use this to protect the eyes. We don't want any chemical peel dripping into the eyes, and we also protect the corners of the mouth. We don't want any of the chemical peel products, you know, going into any of the patient's mouth. So you just take a little pea-sized amount, and you apply it to the outer edge of the eyeball so you don't get any dripping from the chemical peel into the eye. And then you do the same thing around the mouth. Next, I begin concocting our chemical peel. We tailor it to the patient's needs. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna use our vitamin A peel solution. I'm gonna withdraw about 1 ml of that, and I'm gonna coat her entire face with the vitamin A peel solution prior to the mini peel gloss. You use a pipette, very soft, saturate the pipette with all the product, and then we apply it to the skin. Important things to keep in mind when talking about vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the key ingredients in both retin-a and retinols, and these products are amazing for anti-aging overall. So after you do the vitamin A across the surface of the skin, we then apply our mini gloss peel solution. So I'll apply this. Once I do that, we'll leave it on her face for 10 full minutes. After that 10-minute mark, we'd come in, we'd wipe her skin off with the retinol pads, and then we would send her on her way. When you're doing this, you can use the same pipette that you use to apply the vitamin A solution. That's totally fine. So then we just saturate the pipette and apply to her skin. Also, when you're doing a peel like this, you do want to use all of the product that you have. So if that requires a second or third pass, that's totally fine. If you're treating a client that maybe they have makeup tattooing, you're going to want to avoid those areas, as you know, the chemical peel ingredients can impact the pigmentation from those things, such as microblading and permanent eyeliner. That is not the case on this specific patient. So then we wait 10 full minutes, and then I'll be back in to wipe her off before she leaves.
So you've had the chemical peel on for about 10 minutes now. How does your face feel? Any burning?
Not really any burning. There was a slight tingle right after she applied it. Now that it's dry, there's really, you know, or the 10 minutes is up, there's no really, you know, no burning or anything, very tolerable.
All right, guys, so the final step of the mini gloss peel we're doing today is we wipe off the peel solution with our retinol pads. So once we do this, I'll wipe her whole face off with these. After 5 full minutes, when that retinol solution is fully dry, she can apply whatever sunscreen she wants to use. We do recommend SPF, you know, especially after you do a chemical peel. And then we say wait a full 2 hours, and then she can use whatever cleanser at home. She personally uses our wonderful product in our skincare line. So she can cleanse and moisturize after 2 full hours. All right, so then she'll let this dry for 5 minutes. After that, she can put her sunscreen on. And then after that 2-hour wait, she can cleanse her face as she normally would.